Hello, welcome to the problem solver guide. Today you'll learn two patterns: cube inside cube and cube inside cube inside cube. Okay, so now before that, okay, so please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and please watch my videos if you do not know how to solve a Rubik's cube this way. Okay, so you can see I'll leave a link on the description of this page for you to solve learn how to solve this Rubik's cube. Okay, so if you are brand new, I'll just give you a basic of this Rubik's cube, then I'll teach you how to solve the patterns. Okay, so the cube inside cube and cube inside cube inside cube. Okay, so first of all, this is your front layer. Okay, so this is your front layer, or this is the front, this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side, this is the upper side or top side, this is the down side, this is the back side. Okay, so this is the back side. So you can see this is the right layer. So if I rotate this way, this is the right layer, this is the left layer. Okay, so it's denoted by L, this is denoted by R. Now this is the upper layer, it's denoted by U. Now this is the down layer, it's denoted by D. Okay, so front layer, right side layer, left side layer, upper layer, and this is the back layer denoted by B. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Now whenever you see this algorithm, okay, so you can just follow. Okay, you can see if I say R, it means you are rotating in clockwise motion. Okay, so it's R out here. Okay, so when I say R prime, it's the opposite. Okay, so you know the clockwise motion is always on the right hand side. Okay, so this way clock rotates this way, right? Okay, so this is the clockwise R, and if I say R prime, this. Okay, similarly L, you can see this L is here. Okay, because clockwise motion again it's this. Okay, so when I say L, you just have to do it once. Okay, so just once, 90 degree. Okay, don't do this. Okay, so when I say L, just do once. Okay, so when I say L prime, just do this. Okay, so once anti-clockwise. Okay, again right layer, left layer. Now upper layer, when I say U, you just rotate it once only. Okay, so I'm just showing you that this is the U layer. When I say U, it's this. Okay, so when I say U prime, it's this. Okay, similarly let's look at this down layer. When I say D, just do this. When I say D prime, do this. Okay, so the front layer, when I say F, just rotate it 90 degree just once. Okay, so when I say F prime, you have to just rotate it anti-clockwise. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, I'll just recap fast. R prime, L prime. When I say U, it's just once, 90 degree. When I say U prime, it's here. D, when I say D prime, it's here. Now when I say B, it's here. When I say B prime, it's here. People get confused on B prime. Okay, but you can see when I say B, it's this. So if you just rotate it out here, it's rotating in clockwise motion. Okay, remember that. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, so B is always right like this. Okay, so if you look from front, you may think that it's rotating in anti-clockwise, but actually it's still rotating in clockwise motion. Okay, so this is these are some things that you should know before getting started. In the beginning, we'll learn how to solve this cube inside cube. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, so cube inside cube. So it's really easy process. Okay, so it looks cool, isn't it? Okay, so the second pattern that we'll learn is cube inside cube inside cube. You can see that this is the outer cube. Now this is the second cube, and this is the third cube out here. Okay, so three cubes, cube inside cube inside cube. Now if you just turn it around, you can see it's the same. Okay, so cube inside cube inside cube. This is three cubes, which we'll learn in a moment. Let's do the pattern cube in a cube. Okay, so you can hold this Rubik's cube any way you like, but yeah, for this example I'm holding white on the top and green on the front. Okay, so you can also slow the video to follow along. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's do F once. Okay, so L once, again do F. Now do U prime, okay, U prime, do R, then do U, then do F 2 times, okay, so F 2 times, now L 2 times, U prime once, L prime once, now this is back once, D prime once, B prime once, now do L 2 times and do U once, okay. Now you can see out here the pattern, cube inside a cube, okay. So now if you rotate it right here, you can see this pattern again, okay. So you can see this pattern, it's on both sides, okay. So you can see cube in a cube. This is how you solve a cube in a cube, okay. Now next one, I'll show you how to solve a cube inside a cube inside a cube, okay. So now we'll have 3 cubes out here, okay. In this example we have 2 cubes, 1 cube out here and 1 cube out here. Now in the next one we'll have cube inside cube inside cube, okay. So let's get started. Okay, now we'll learn the cube inside a cube pattern, okay. So for this, again, white on the top and green on the front, okay. So follow along, just do it very slowly. It's really easy, okay. So now first do U prime, then do L prime, then again do U prime, then do F prime, then do R 2 times, then do B prime, then do R, then do F, then do U, now do B 2 times, now U once, B prime once, L once, U prime once, F once, U once, R once, F prime once. Now just let's look at the pattern, okay. So you can see out here cube inside cube inside cube. You can see out here 1 cube, 2 cube and 3 cube, okay. So if you just rotate it, you can see that we solved this cube inside cube inside cube, okay. So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe for more Rubik's Cube tutorials, and please leave a comment and like this video. Thank you very much. I take a leave. See you on the next one. Bye bye.